If you've got a personal line of credit with Simplii and you're not exactly sure how to actually use the money, this video will walk you through it, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your funds, move them, and avoid common mistakes. Let's get into it. First, open up your Simplii financial app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your accounts are listed. Look for your personal line of credit account. If you've never used it before, it will likely show a balance of $0, and that's completely normal. It simply means you haven't borrowed any money yet. Now, to use the line of credit, go to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the three-line menu icon. From that menu, look for and select Transfer Funds. You'll now see two fields, From and To. In the From section, select your line of credit. In the To section, choose your checking account. Now enter the amount you want to use. Before you continue, take a second here. Only transfer what you actually need. This is borrowed money, so interest usually starts building right away on whatever amount you use. Once you're ready, tap Continue, review the details, and then confirm the transfer. And that's it. The money will now show up in your checking account, and from there, you can use it like normal. You can pay bills, send e-transfers, withdraw cash, or make purchases. One quick tip here, always keep track of how much you've used from your line of credit. It's easy to forget since it feels like regular money once it's in your checking account. Another thing to watch out for is your interest rate. Lines of credit usually have variable rates, so your cost of borrowing can change over time. And finally, try to make at least the minimum payments on time, or even better, pay it down as soon as you can to reduce interest. That's the full process. If this helped you out, subscribe for more simple, straight to the point tutorials like this.